Hello everyone, welcome back to Oma's Taste. Welcome to today's cooking. So today I'll be making some vegetables, curry, chicken soup to eat some white rice. This was so good. It's very easy. So let me show you. This is already the chicken I have marinated. I use curry, thyme, pepper, onions, garlic, and marinated this and salt. Let me not forget that, because without salt it will not be delicious. So after it have marinated for some 1 to 2 hours, I left it actually for a very long time. I'll go ahead and add some olive oil in the pan, and I am going to fry them for like 6 minutes. This is just to release the taste to the oil. In fact, it also gives very delicious taste to the chicken. If you try it this way, allow it to fry until it is brown in color. Go ahead and add your water. There is one thing I'm going to try very soon. Some people actually add sugar to eat, brown sugar, to fry the chicken with. I haven't tried that. I will try it one day. You know, this channel is about trying things. All right, for the slurry I'll be using cornstarch. Yeah, I'll be adding a little because I don't want it to be thick. I added about 1.5 spoon. That is the measurement I have there. I was using this little spoon to measure it. So dissolve it and set it aside. We'll be using it later. So these are the vegetables that I'll be using. I have already cut them. I'm using the bell peppers, the green, the red, and the yellow. I'll be using onions, white and purple. And this I'm adding into the chicken soup is already the ingredients that I blended that I used to marinate the chicken. So when the chicken is cooked, then go ahead and add your veggies, any type of your choice. You can also add mushroom, corn, and so on. I wanted to add all the pepper, but this pepper was very hot, so I didn't want to all of them. I just added little, stir it a little, and allow it to combine. And go ahead and test if you need salt. I am using 1/4 spoon of to measure this salt, so it's not actually much. So after that, I'll go ahead and add in the dissolved cornstarch. This will help to thicken it up a little. So I'll go ahead and pour them in there and stir them a little. This is how I want the soup. I want it to be actually light. Yeah, if you want it to be a little more thick, you can go ahead and add more cornstarch to make your slurry. But this is exactly how I want it. By this time, the whole kitchen is full of aroma. Yes, it tasted so nice. So to enjoy this best, you know, now I don't know, there's no other thing that you can use to enjoy this curry soup, which is not rice. So I have already prepared my rice. It's very fluffy. I tried to mold them, but they were all falling apart like things fall apart. So I just never minded it. I just threw it in the plate the same way they were falling apart, so that everything will be falling together. Yes, and go ahead and serve my beautiful soup to the rice. The chicken was so delicious. I tell you, if you try things like this, not every time rest you, you definitely love what you are doing in the kitchen. It came out well. Both children enjoyed it despite it has lots of vegetable. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and here I present to you the almighty chicken curry stew with vegetables. I enjoyed it so much. If you tried it, bon appetit. Hope to see you in my next video, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.